What's up, guys? It's Ryan. Welcome back to the MXG channel. So 2 or 3 weeks ago, GasGas released their 2023 what I thought was their 2023 bikes in general, because I knew it was the moto bikes, and I saw the cross-country bikes, which would be like the KTM XCs, and I didn't realize that they actually didn't announce their enduro bikes, which would be like the XCWs or their ECs. I didn't realize that they had announced those that day until yesterday, when GasGas drops this interesting picture where they basically have you zoom in on the picture, and it gives you like a secret message, and it would send you around to different parts of the picture until you finally ended up in the top left corner, where it said you'll get to see the 2023 enduro models tomorrow. So I'm thinking, why none of the GasGas are changing for 2023, so why would they have not released them at the same time? So I start getting excited, thinking there must be some kind of difference or something they're changing as to why they, released them 2, 3, 4 weeks later, and then also made this little, marketing picture to build some hype on it. So I waited for them. They got released today. And there's obviously no difference whatsoever, which we already knew. So yeah, I don't know what the hype was all about, or whose great marketing scheme that was, but your 2023 enduro GasGas, which are just the EC250 and EC300, are now officially released. Now, as far as an update on any real news, we do expect the KTM information to be released within the next month. So I'm thinking early May, we'll find out all our information on the 2023 model KTMs. I don't know if they'll do the moto and off-road bikes at the same time, or if they'll space it out by a couple weeks or a week. We've done stuff like that before. So yeah, so definitely stay tuned. Hit the red subscribe button if you want to not miss any of those. And if you really appreciate the channel, hit the blue join button. All right, guys, 2023 GasGas EC250 and EC300. Here it is, unchanged. See you in the next video.